Excuse me.
Am I in your way? There. Okay, all we have to do is transfer this to the other side. One more coat. Well, almost all done. And I feel like the steering's just almost always going to be done.
It's almost done again. This is, by the way, a quick update, just because we haven't spent much time on the thing, and Ryan's getting so close. It's almost done
Again.
So we'll just give you a couple minutes here and just show you where he's at. And it looks like he's got this all coped up pretty nice.
This is the last thing to do. I'll do this on the other side, and then obviously got to weld up the tie rod end sleeves that are made, and I have to make the drag link, which I got all the parts for, and one more plate on the steering box, which I already made. I just got to weld it on and then weld all that up. And seriously, it's all done this time.
And you're talking about changing this to a high quality GM steering knuckle.
I mean, that's like a last resort kind of thing, you know?
Well, you know, if you put the Chevy on there, I know you're afraid of quality, but whatever you got to do.
This is all heavy duty. So, like...
so it is a Chevy.
To go down to Chevy parts, it seems like, you know...
Yeah. All right, we'll show that plate, and that's about it for this little video. So this is the plate you just made.
Mm-hmm. That's going to go like that. And then the steering box, I should be able to drop out from here, and I think there's enough room for the hoses that go up there. So I'll have to make...
You think you better hope.
There's like all this room right here. See? I think that's going to be good. That's like 3/8 plate on the front. This part was the factory part. I just added a little piece here, but it was, the steering box was turned, I don't even remember. I think it was turned this way. Because it had the
it was, yeah.
The pivot arm went that way, and now it's going on the front that way. So the bolts are on the opposite side of the frame. So then I got that U-joint, so I'm going to have to raise the column up. But I was going to raise this floor up anyways because of how close all this is. So I'm going to have to, you know, cut it up in here. But that's like female double D shaft that's made out of, which makes it real easy because that'll fit inside. So anyways, I got the U-joint to put here, but I'll cut this all up, change that bushing, and just slide it up. It's just a matter of drilling holes. Then that'll be a steering shaft like that.
So there's always that guy who comments and says, well, you shouldn't mess with the stock steering or whatever because it won't be safe. I'm here to tell you.
I could add another gusset if you think.
This is not going anywhere. It will be stronger and drive better than it ever did.
Yeah.
So, and it's usually, I hate to say it, but Australia is pretty much in lockdown and customizing their stuff. So, and I think a little bit over in Europe a bit. But hey,
it's perfect. It's strong.
It's going to be awesome. I can't see you.
Oh,
stick
sorry.
Stick your head out a little. That's the whole reason we haven't shot a lot on this, is because you have to get in here to get video, and it's terrible.
I'm about tired of just climbing under the dang thing now. It's just getting, I want to work on the top. Just for like a month or so.
Just stand up.
Just to stand up.
Me too.
It's close. So close.
All right, well, thanks for the update.
You got it.
I'm going to go back and do something else because there's no room in here. Bye-bye.
See ya. Peace out.